Okay, so strawberry fields forever.
So this is your basil storage system, right?
Yes, it's a little greenhouse. It's great.
So
basil.
I took some basil, I muddled it just gently, you don't want to bruise it. Then I'm putting in some freshly hulled strawberries in there.
Delicious.
You know, I'm gonna do
Antioxidants and nice green leafy basil. Look at all the vitamins you're having with your cocktails.
This is actually quite healthy. Well, at least it is now. We're gonna make it a little unhealthy. So
any balsamic?
No, don't ruin the ending. That's the drizzle at the end.
I'll be over here.
Okay, thank you. So then we're gonna use vodka.
Yeah, Tito. I love hanging with Tito.
We love me some Tito.
We love me some Tito's.
I've got a couple, well, I'm making 2 cocktails, so I got 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice.
Yum.
And then one of my favorite ingredients.
Saint Germain.
Saint Germain, it's elderflower liqueur. It's sweet, but not too sweet.
And it's faintly floral, because it's made from literally elderflowers.
Tastes a little bit like honeysuckle when you were a kid. You used to eat the honeysuckle.
Yep, delicious.
Sort of like that.
Well, that's your business, but okay.
Oh.
I don't remember sucking on honeysuckle, honey, but okay.
You know, is that my own thing? I made that up.
I guess so.
So we got
rocks glasses or rocks in here?
Rocks in here. Can you fill those with
sure.
rocks?
Rocks in both.
Because it
like
is
the rocks
a
in my
rock
head.
band. So we fill that with rocks. Shake it up.
Shickety shaky. Okay.
And now we're gonna do what I call a double, well, what everyone calls a double strain, because there's like chunks of basil and stuff in there. You want to strain it through here and then strain it through one of these doohickeys, which is like a little mini.
A fine strainer, right.
Fine strainer, but like one built for cocktails.
Honey, you're a little cheap on that cocktail.
I'm a little cheap on the down low here.
There's no way we're calling this 2 cocktails. Get out of the way.
All right, make it 1 cocktail. There you go. You can have that one, hon.
Yeah, you're dang right I'm gonna have this one. There you go.
So then I garnish it with a little strawberry.
All right, and a drizzle of balsamic.
A little basil. And a little drizzle of balsamic drizzle. It's not coming out?
It's called drizzle, honey, for a reason. You have to drizzle it.
There you go.
There you go.